A lot of people already in that spring mindset. So how can you prepare for the cold burst this weekend? Reporter Veronica Obey has some reminders to make sure you're ready for this weekend's wintry weather.
Even as we plan to spring forward this weekend, winter is still very much here. Snow is expected in the East Tennessee area, meaning road conditions may vary.
As those temperatures get below freezing, that limits the effectiveness of our supplies. So if folks do not have to be on the roadways over the next 24, 48 hours, just stay at home.
TDOT has already been prepping roads since Thursday to help make sure drivers are safe. But Nagy says if you have to drive, these are tips you should follow.
Make sure you give yourself extra braking room because there are going to be slick spots out there.
Apart from safe driving, Nagy says make sure you have a full tank of gas, blankets, bottled water, and a spare tire.
We're responsible for over 9,000 lane miles in East Tennessee alone. So we're going to be working throughout this winter weather event, but we don't get to everything immediately.
And just like TDOT plans to cover roads with brine and salt, plant owners also need to have a plan. The retail manager at Stanley's Greenhouse says it's important to cover any shrubs or plants that are blooming or about to with a light sheet before it gets dark tonight.
Just basically you're wanting to create a little mini greenhouse, just trying to trap in as much heat as humanly possible. If the sheet gets wet, it's okay. That's even going to help it more than you think as far as holding in the heat.
And just as TDOT workers are prepared for winter to reappear during the spring, Stanley says plant owners can be prepared as well.
We all know East Tennessee, we usually have several frost and freeze periods before the average last frost date, which is supposed to be April 15th.
Reporting in Knoxville, Veronica Obey, WATE 6 on your side.